Welcome to second session of your course. Today, we are going to learn evolution of human resource management. Human resource management did not emerge overnight. It evolved over centuries as organizations changed the way they viewed and managed workers. From basic labor administration during the Industrial Revolution to personnel management, human relations, strategic HRM, and today's AI-driven workforce management, the role of HR has continuously transformed. The Industrial Revolution brought a dramatic transformation to the world of work. The invention of machines increased productivity, reduced production time, and minimized human effort. Factories expanded rapidly, production increased, and industrial owners discovered enormous opportunities for profit. But, in many factories, the pursuit of greater production and profit began to overshadow the welfare of workers. Workers faced heavy workloads, and often working continuously under intense pressure from supervisors for longer periods. Working hours were extremely long, leaving workers physically exhausted with little time for rest. Despite their hard labor, many workers received very low wages and struggled to meet their basic needs. Basic facilities were poor, and little attention was given to the health, comfort, or welfare of employees. Workplace safety was often neglected, exposing workers to dangerous machinery and hazardous working conditions. Harsh supervision and unfair treatment created fear, frustration, and growing dissatisfaction among workers. Day after day, dissatisfaction grew. Workers began realizing that individually they had very little power, but when workers stood together, their individual voices became one powerful collective voice. Workers organized protests and strikes, demanding fair wages, reasonable working hours, safer workplaces, and humane treatment. This growing worker unity and collective struggle contributed to the rise and development of labor laws and trade unions. This became an important turning point in the evolution of human resource management. Organizations could no longer ignore the voice and welfare of their workers.